GCSE Chemistry Paper 2 is tomorrow. Here are some last minute tips to ensure that you go out with a bang. Tomorrow is the last ever GCSE Chemistry exam you're going to sit, so it's vitally important that you can refocus. The first tip that goes with that is to get to sleep relatively early. Cool, but how important is this specific paper? You need to remember that there is still 100 marks available. And for some context, the grade boundaries for GCSE Chemistry are not sky high, so a good performance on this can completely change your grade. To pass foundation chemistry, you need just over half marks on each paper. To pass higher tier, you need right around 23 out of 100 marks on each paper. And to get a grade 9, you only need around 65 to 70%. So don't be discouraged if you can't answer every single question, but do try and write at least something down. That said, is there anything specific that you should revise for this exam? Hopefully you knew this already, but this is every overarching topic that's on this paper. They're broken down further in the specification, which you can find on Google. And unfortunately, AQA do a good job at assessing a lot of the content that's possible, but some key concepts, and this applies to foundation and higher tier, would be calculating the rate of reaction, collision theory, making sure you know the differences between alkanes, alkenes, and the other organic molecules you get taught about. And something that I definitely think is going to come up is the tests for those common gases, as well as the flame